End of an era for Harry. Charles officially makes Mike Tindall the new legal official patron of Invictus Games. In a surprising move, King Charles III has appointed Mike Tindall, Zara Tindall's husband, as the new patron of the Invictus Games. The announcement, just months before the 10th anniversary of the game, founded by Prince Harry, has sparked controversy and uncertainty over the competition's future. Tindall, a former England rugby player and a decorated athlete himself, is popular with some for his understanding of the challenges facing veteran soldiers and past participation in Invictus Games exhibitions. However, the decision to omit Harry, the original patron, raised eyebrows and sparked speculation of a deliberate act of omission. Prince Harry's tireless dedication to the Invictus Games is well known. He founded the competition in 2014 as a platform for injured veterans to participate in adaptive sports, turning it into a global phenomenon that symbolizes resilience and hope. His strong connection to the veteran community was a key factor in the game's success overall. King Charles' choice to replace Harry with Tindall suggests a potential change in the direction of the game. While Tindall plays to his strengths for the role, questions arise about the competition's future vision. Will it maintain the deeply personal connection established by Harry, or will it evolve into something more formal and institutional? Furthermore, this decision can be seen as an attempt by the king to distance himself from the controversy surrounding Harry and Meghan Markle. The move could alienate veterans with personal connections to Harry and the game's origins. The game's organization, with Invictus, is yet to comment on the appointment, and Prince Harry's reaction remains unclear. However, the decision could cause tension within the royal family, highlighting the ongoing struggle between tradition and innovation. As the 10th anniversary of the Invictus Games approaches, it is overshadowed by questions about its future, direction, and a potential rift within the royal family. Only time will reveal whether Mike Tindall can effectively fill Prince Harry's position, or if Invictus Games will lose a vital part of its essence. In a move that resonated throughout the veteran community, Prince Harry, the alleged founder of the Invictus Games, announced that he would be completely excluded from any future participation in the event. Scott Moore, the newly appointed CEO of the Invictus Games Foundation, is said to have made the decision to drop Harry from the competition that he enthusiastically initiated. The decision raises concerns about the future of the game and the complicated legacy of Harry's involvement with it. News of the split comes just months before scheduled 2025 fights in Vancouver and Whistler, Canada. Harry's founding of his version of the Olympics in 2014 provided wounded, injured, and ill veterans with a platform to compete in adaptive sports, fostering resilience and camaraderie on set. His deep personal connection to the military and his training and deployment experiences resonated deeply with participants. However, in recent years, Harry's relationship with the Invictus Games has become strained. His withdrawal from senior royal duties and move to the United States has raised doubts about his continued involvement. Reports also hint at unease amongst the veteran community about the commercialization of the game, with Harry and Meghan Markle's branding potentially overshadowing the event's core mission. Scott Moore, a seasoned sports television executive, has been brought in to lead the Invictus Games into a new era, focused on operational performance, sponsorships, and global expansion. This change in strategy may have led to the decision to separate the game from Harry, whose royal status could divert attention from the sporting competition. However, this move faced harsh criticism. Many veterans consider Harry an integral part of the game's identity, and removing him altogether could alienate this loyal faction and change the nature of the event as a whole. Concerns also arose about a potential commercialization of the game under Moore's leadership, potentially diluting its unique spirit. While the Invictus Games Foundation has yet to officially comment on the reported split, its consequences are expected to be quite significant. The future of events hangs in the balance as it navigates the delicate balance between innovation and tradition, retaining the game's original spirit and purpose without Harry's direct involvement, posing a significant challenge, and only time will reveal whether the game can thrive in his absence or not.